Hello, my friends, and welcome. Today we are going to work on opening ourselves to receiving great things. Perhaps you build up a wall or some sort of blocks within yourself that are stopping this flow of amazing things coming your way. Today we're going to knock down those walls, knock down those blocks, and we're going to allow these amazing things that we are worthy of receiving to come into our lives. So if that sounds good to you, find a quiet place to practice. Let's let our minds get calm, our bodies relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. Before we begin, if you enjoy my channel and want to dive deeper, please check out my Mindfully Me membership and app, where you get access to exclusive weekly videos, workshops, 5-minute power tapping, subliminals, and so much more, all designed to help you release heavy emotions, shift your limiting beliefs, and allow you to step into a more powerful and abundant version of yourself. Now offering a 7-day free risk trial, so take a peek inside, and I hope you enjoy. We're going to begin with some tapping. If you are new to tapping, simply tap where I tap. Repeat after me. These are acupressure points along meridian channels within our body. And repeat after the words I say, help to affirm or clear blocks from within the body. So starting on the side of the hand. Even though I feel I have blocks up that may be stopping me from receiving great things, I choose to love, honor, and accept how I feel. Even though I can feel these blocks, these walls and barriers I've put up, blocking me from receiving great things, I choose to accept how I feel, and I choose to know it's safe to remove these blocks. Even though I have placed up these walls and blocks due to some sort of fear, perhaps known, perhaps unknown, I choose to take this time to take down these walls, and I choose to allow great things into my life. I choose to knock down these walls. These blocks and barriers I've placed up based on fear. Fear of the unknown. Fear of being unworthy. Fear of not being able to handle the greatness I receive. Whatever the reason may be, I choose to know that it's safe to release these blocks. To allow them to crumble before me. Opening up a path to receive. A path to receive great things. Great things I'm worthy of receiving. So I wash away these walls. I lower down the barriers, knowing it's safe to receive great things. Knowing I'm worthy of receiving great things. Squeezing the wrist, taking a deep breath in. And exhale out. Safe to let it go. And quickly just washing your energy, we're going to go ahead and stand shoulder width apart, bringing your arms down in front of you, bringing up the center of your body, opening up above, and then slowly washing them back down. So acting as your body is a barrel with any blocks and barriers within it, we're just using our hands almost like water to wash through the barrel, cleansing any blocks, walls you've placed up, and allowing that energy to receive, to wash through you. You can inhale as you come up, forcing that water through, cleansing, and exhale as you come down. So really visualize collecting that water, pushing it through your body. You can almost picture those walls, those barriers like blocks of sand, if you were to build a sandcastle at the beach, and the waves just washing over the sand, little by little eroding away the walls that you built, gently, knowing that it's safe for the water to flood through. And one more time. And inhaling, coming up. Allowing your barrel to be nice and clean, open, ready to receive. We'll finish up with some tapping. I am ready to receive greatness. With my blocks, my barriers down, knowing that I am safe. Safe for amazing things to come into my life. Worthy of amazing things coming into my life. Now forming a clear path. Radiant and glowing. Ready to receive great things into my life. Squeezing the wrists once more, deep breath in and out. And giving yourself a little shake. We're going to just do a little movement with visualization, just very powerful to tie the whole thing in. You're going to bear your weight on your left leg, right leg is going to come out. You're going to move forward, shifting your weight onto your right, and then you're going to come back, moving your weight on your left. As you do so, your hands are going to push out, and then let the wrists fall forward, and they're going to pull back in. So pushing out and pulling back in. So you can inhale as you pull in, and exhale as you push out. So just as we were saying with the sand and the waves on the beach, just imagine those waves pushing over those walls, any little walls that still remain, allowing the water to wash over them, push them down. Gently, safely. Almost like you had this barricade around you, and now you're just letting the energy, the universe, know that it's safe to allow great things into your life. So using your breath, and if you are someone who can visualize, just picture your arms like waves of water, pushing over anything that still remains. And one more final push of your wave, allowing for a flat, even plane along in front of you. And inhaling as you scoop up. And exhaling down. You knock down the walls. Now gathering and pulling through. You can think of all the things that you are working towards, the things that you yearn for. Just kind of gathering them within your arms and knowing it's safe now to receive. One more. And exhale down. Finishing off with one more round of tapping. It's safe to receive great things. It's safe to receive the things I call into my life. I now have an open path, guiding, calling, pulling greatness into my life. And I welcome this greatness with open arms and a full heart. I'm ready to receive great things. Give yourself a little shake, hands on your lower belly, deep breath in through the nose, and exhale out. And one more time, going back to that visualization. Just again, that moat you had around you now completely dissolved. And this beautiful path just winding towards you. Open, ready. Universe knowing that it's allowed to start to flood amazing, great things into your life. There's no reason to be scared. There's no reason to push back, because you are now ready to allow that flood of joy and greatness to come into your life. So just visualize that for a second. You can maybe even picture some of the things that you want and seeing them just kind of flowing down that path, easily making their way to you. Now that the walls are down, that you see it's safe for them to come into your space, that you're worthy for them to come into your space. And stay here a little longer if you'd like, visualizing a little deeper or just focusing on your breath. But this is where I will leave you. Hopefully that helped to bring some of those walls down, to allow the things that you deserve and you are worthy of having into your life. Let me know in the comments how you felt after, and let me know if anything great has popped into your life since doing this video. I always love hearing from you guys, and I'll see you guys again soon. Much love.